Title: 10 Eye-Opening Facts That Will Amaze You. Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a world of fascinating facts that will truly blow your mind. From the depths of history to the wonders of nature and beyond, get ready to be amazed by these eye-opening revelations. Fact 1. The secret life of trees. Did you know that trees communicate with each other through an underground network of fungi? This incredible system, known as the Wood Wide Web, allows trees to share nutrients and information, supporting their fellow forest inhabitants in times of need. Fact 2. The ancient wisdom of pyramids. The Great Pyramid of Giza is not only a marvel of engineering, but also a time capsule. Archaeologists recently discovered hidden chambers inside, untouched for millennia, revealing new insights into ancient Egyptian culture and technology. Fact 3. The astonishing speed of cheetahs. Cheetahs are not just the fastest land animals. They accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Their sleek bodies and specialized adaptations make them unparalleled sprinters in the animal kingdom. Fact 4. The ocean's invisible forests. Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a hidden world of immense importance: phytoplankton. These microscopic organisms produce over half of the world's oxygen, playing a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate and supporting marine life. Fact 5. The mysterious origins of chocolate. Chocolate, beloved by many, has a rich history dating back thousands of years to ancient Mesoamerican civilizations. Originally consumed as a bitter drink, chocolate underwent a transformative journey before becoming the sweet treat we enjoy today. Fact 6. The unseen power of bees. Bees are not just pollinators. They are vital to our food supply. These industrious insects contribute to the production of 1/3 of the food we eat by pollinating crops such as almonds, apples, and blueberries. Fact 7. The remarkable memory of elephants. Elephants are known for their incredible memory. They can remember distant watering holes, recognize long-lost friends, and even mourn their deceased loved ones, showcasing their complex emotions and social bonds. Fact 8. The surprising diversity of languages. Did you know that there are over 7,000 languages spoken around the world today? Each language is a unique reflection of its culture, history, and worldview, highlighting the rich diversity of human communication. Fact 9. The extraordinary abilities of octopuses. Octopuses are masters of camouflage and problem-solving. With their keen intelligence and flexible bodies, they can navigate intricate mazes, mimic other creatures, and escape from seemingly impossible situations. Fact 10. The timeless mystery of the universe. From the vastness of space to the complexity of quantum mechanics, the universe continues to astound scientists and philosophers alike. Exploring its mysteries reminds us of the infinite possibilities waiting to be discovered. Conclusion. There you have it, 10 eye-opening facts that have broadened our understanding of the world around us. Which fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time,